how to stop hiccups. So you've heard multiple ways to stop the hiccup. You stop breathing, you drink water, you get scared. Some people like to pinch. I've noticed that all the remedies have something in common. That something is surviving. So let's imagine that you have the hiccup and you're swallowing water. And so when you're in the action of having water in your throat here, then what happens if you do get the hiccup right there? So what happens is you might choke yourself, or you might even like drown, and your body's not that stupid, so it will never let you die. So you need to use that reflex of not dying to fix your hiccup. As I've said, they all have something in common, and that thing is being in a state where if you have a hiccup, you die. So if you're scared enough, then your body won't allow you to have the hiccup, because if there's like a predator that's coming, it won't let you hiccup, because after the hiccup, either the predator comes faster to you or he sees you or something like that. But the easiest thing to do is to drink. So like I said, you can swallow, and when the action of actually swallowing, like when you actually contract the muscle and right here, then you're fine. But it's really hard to maintain that muscle active. The easiest way is to drink water, and when you drink water, you focus on when you swallow, when you have this contraction of your muscle, and when you do it long enough, then it's just longer between all the hiccups, and your hiccup is going away. People have other ways, like they can kind of feel the hiccup coming and then they swallow just before they feel the hiccup coming, but it's still the same. Like, that's the easiest way to fix your hiccup. If you want more information like this, just subscribe and maybe check my latest video.